Hello friends, glaucoma can be well treated by homeopathy. Let's see how. Glaucoma, which is because of raised IOP, means intraocular pressure is raised in the eyeball, in the anterior chamber because of aqueous humor. Aqueous humor, clear fluid in the anterior chamber raises the IOP, means the pressure increased in eyeball in the anterior chamber, so causing many deformities and defects. Basically, neuropathy, vision loss, and visual field defect. Means glaucoma is causing neuropathy in eyes and progressively causing vision loss or sometimes complete blindness. So to avoid these neuropathy and vision loss for good eye for good health, eye health, glaucoma can be treated very by as a good prognosis if it is detected early. So by expert, if detected early, glaucoma can be treated well. If it is treated in later stage, it can be improved. It can be improved by homeopathy. And if it is in very later any in very severe stage, then surgery may be needed. But if it is detected early, homeopathy treats glaucoma very well. So it is because it is raising the IOP, which is the most common risk factor causing neuropathy in eye. And as I told that there are so many types of glaucoma, and one which is since birth, that is congenital glaucoma. Congenital glaucoma has a good prognosis if it is after 1 year or later, but if it is since birth, then the prognosis is not much better. And in treatment by homeopathy, first we have to know the risk factors, that what are the risk factors which should be avoided, or which, where the prevention, cure and early care is very important, like diabetes, nutrition care, hypertension or blood pressure, and the females, because the females has uh, females have more chance of glaucoma, and the patient who are having migraine, or the person who are malnourished. So nutrition is very important for health. So we have to know the risk factors to treat early glaucoma. And many times glaucoma happens after post surgeries, many times after eye surgeries also. If glaucoma after eye surgery, then for healing, homeopathy is very good to avoid glaucoma. So now we have to maintain the IOP, and because glaucoma is because of many eye abnormality, so we have to take this point also as important point. It has genetic base, and it may be a because of obstructive disease. Glaucoma is because of many times a obstructive disease or tissue disease in eye structures. There may be tissue defect in internal eye structures which causes glaucoma. So we have to treat these points to treat glaucoma. As the aqueous humor pressure increases, which is called IOP, and there is the defect in ultrafiltration and diffusion defect. We may say that it is a kind of metabolic defect and causing a diffusion defect to control the IOP in eye wall. And as I said, that there may be obstructive or eye diseases associated which causes glaucoma, and may any eye abnormality also can be there. So treating by homeopathy, we have to make mind that what type of glaucoma it is, and then according to the type of glaucoma we give medicines. If it is a kind of tissue defect, then we will give medicines like Hecla lava, and many times the glaucoma uh, is because of narrowing of eye structures or vascular system in eye. So we give Hecla lava, Salicia, fluoric acid, calcarea fluor, ferrum phos, calcarea phos, and so many other medicines are there to treat glaucoma, but it varies in every person because homeopathy gives different medicine in different person according to the patient symptom. So if the patient is having symptom, then the medicine will be selected according to that. It means if the disease is a kind of tissue defect, means any tissue abnormality in eye structure, then these medicine will be given. If there is metabolic defect which is causing glaucoma, uh, a kind of nutrition defect in eye which is provided by the blood and vascular system. If there is any abnormality in metabolic system or diffusion system in eye structure, then we will give many other medicines like calcarea carb, calcarea fluor, ferrum phos, and many other medicines can be given to improve glaucoma, like a metabolic improvement for the patient. As I said, it may be due to obstruction, any type of obstruction, or other eye diseases. Other eye diseases may cause glaucoma as secondary glaucoma, maybe because of any growth, abnormal growth or tumor, or any abnormal structure in the eyeball or structures related to eye, which is causing neuropathy and vision loss. So these medicine will improve the glaucoma to improve vision and will heal the tissue. And these type of obstructive disease is there, then medicine Salicia, Hecla lava, fluoric acid, conium mac, aurum mac, and many more other medicines are given. So many medicines are there in homeopathy to treat glaucoma. If it is a type of neuropathic and only nerve damage, there is no other structure defect, only nerve damage is there, then we can give calcium, causticum, and lyco, and sometimes as there are many symptoms like photophobia or watering of eyes, pain, redness, vision loss, blurring of visions, the medicine will be different. So the medicine will be according to the symptom of the patient. And the dose and the repetition of the medicine. And the very important thing is the follow-up by expert homeopathic doctor only. The medicine should be prescribed by only expert homeopath to treat glaucoma. So, be happy, be healthy. Glaucoma can be treated, and if treated in early stage, it will be treated in very good stage and there will be more good health. If treated late in severe stage, then still there may be improvement and prevention and cure should be taken. So, be healthy, take care, and take medicine only by homeopathic expert, not by purchasing the medicine from the store. Be healthy and stay connected. Thank you.